Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And today, in this video, I will give a small announcement because we're currently in the process of doing a large update planned on the 1st of May 2018. And if you're using CouponBet, you might notice that there are some delay and you will be slightly impacted. However, it is very minimal, but the update it will be very big, so there will be a lot of refinements and improvements on the site to solve a lot of items and add many new things, and this is really nice. So you will see a lot of new things being added, and everything is here to help you enjoy a travel agency, of course. So if you are going to use it on this coming Tuesday, on the Labor Day, please note that you might have some impact on the delay. So, however, after that, once it's all done, you will not notice anything, and from Wednesday on, it just will work as it is, as you are expecting and used to it. So, don't worry about it. This is just to improve the website so the travel agency system is more suitable and more better for your travel agency.